In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sort revenue from largest to smallest in Excel. Sorting your revenue data helps you quickly see which rows represent the highest sales and which ones are lower. It also makes it easier to compare performance across different items, dates, or regions, depending on how your sheet is set up. To get started, click any cell inside your revenue data column. For example, you might click cell D2 if your revenue values are in column D. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting a cell within the column that contains the numbers you want to sort. This matters because Excel needs to know which column you are working with, and it will use that column as the reference for the sort. Next, move up to the top ribbon menu and click the Data tab. The Data tab is where Excel places most of the tools related to organizing, sorting, filtering, and working with structured tables. When you click Data, you should see different command groups and options appear across the top area of the screen. This is the section of Excel you will use to perform the sorting action safely and accurately. Now, look for the Sort and Filter command group. You may need to slightly scan along the ribbon to find it, because Excel groups related buttons together. Within that area, you should see buttons and options that help you sort either ascending or descending, and sometimes filter the data as well. For this task, we only need the sorting control, but locating the correct group ensures you are using the right set of tools. Once you find the Sort and Filter command group, click the ZA button to sort from largest to smallest. The ZA button typically indicates sorting in descending order, meaning the highest numbers appear first. After you click it, Excel will rearrange the rows based on the values in your revenue column. You may notice the entire row movement, not just the revenue cells, because Excel is essentially reorganizing the data so that each record stays connected. After sorting, you should immediately check your row data to confirm that the highest numbers are at the top. This is an important verification step, especially if your spreadsheet contains multiple columns of related information like dates, categories, or names. Scroll through the top portion of your sorted results and look at the revenue values. The largest figures should appear first, then gradually decrease as you move down the sheet. For example, if column A contains an item label and column D contains the corresponding revenue, those two should remain matched after sorting. If something seems off, that can be a sign that your data range may not have been interpreted as a single set of rows. But in most normal cases where you sort from a cell within the target column, Excel keeps the rows aligned correctly. At this point, your revenue column should now be ordered from the highest values to the lowest values. You can use this view to quickly identify top performers, spot lower revenue entries, and make more confident decisions based on the ordering of your data. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.